What up, good people? Today is 2-Minute Tip Tuesday. Let's get into this video. How can you tell if your rotors are warped? I had a whole video of replacing your rotors, but I briefly talked about if your rotors are warped or not. So, what is signs of your rotors being warped? Like I said in the last video, it's more of the steering wheel shaking really hard. You know what I'm saying? The steering wheel shaking, you can feel the pulsation in your brakes, or you can just, if they are not that bad, you can still feel a little pulsation, like that. That's how you can tell if your rotors are warped, the rotors and the brakes. So say if you got metal to metal, that can be one of the problems of occurring of warped rotors. And eventually you got cheap brakes and the material on the brakes is coming off, so that can be another sign causing warped rotors. It's really not too many things that can happen to cause warped rotors. It's just over time. But like I said in the last video, you should replace them. But you have the shop that can resurface your rotors, but you really don't want that because that's losing the thickness of your rotors. And you might as well just go ahead and replace them for $50 a piece. That's what I do. Like I said, I talked about it in the last video. I'll leave it in the cards. But this is it. If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of the Art Speed family, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.